These days, I am seeing increasing incidence of delay in the kids to the extent that I get nervous at times. So I thought I should make a video on this topic. The parents generally react differently in this situation. At one end of the spectrum, some are in the denial mode. At other end of spectrum, some jump to the conclusion that the child is having autism by watching various online videos. So actually, what should be the approach of parents in this situation? They suspect speech delay. In this video, I will be covering when will we decide that our child is suffering from speech delay, what are the causes of speech delay, how to approach a child who is suffering from speech delay, and how to prevent speech delay. So please be with me till the end. My name is Dr. Vibha Dubey. I am a consultant pediatrician with more than 30 years of experience. Should they be in denial mode? Never. Why I am saying that they should never be in denial mode? Because in this situation, you refrain taking opinion from the experts. Because your subconscious mind doesn't want to hear any bad news about your kid who is so dear to you. So you postpone your visit to the expert. Only two things can happen when you visit an expert. Either the expert might say that you are worrying unnecessarily, or he might say there is actual speech delay. In the first case, all your unnecessary worries will evaporate. In the second case, there will be early intervention, which is very important for proper management of the case. So in this video, my effort for the parents is give understanding about the speech delay in common language as far as possible. When will we label a child as suffering from speech delay? First of all, we have to understand in nutshell about speech development of a normal average child. From birth to 3 months, child develops cooing sound like 4 to 6 months babbles ba ba mama, da, da, without attaching any meaning to it. 7 to 12 months says first meaningful word, around 12 months of age, saying ma while understanding who is the mother. 1 to 2 years vocabulary of 250 words. At the age of 2 years starts speaking 2-word phrases like please come. From 2 to 3 years vocabulary increases rapidly, 100 to 500 words. Speaks in 3-word sentences like I am going, you are coming. 3 to 4 years, 4 to 5 word sentences. Speech is about 75 to 100% understandable. 4 to 5 years, speech is around 100% understandable. When will we label child as having speech delay? By 12 months, no babbling, no response to name or no gestures. By 15 months, no meaningful words. By 18 months, fewer than 10 words. By 24 months, vocabulary less than 50 words, not using 2-word phrase. Now coming to causes. For understanding the causes, first we have to understand the mechanism of development of speech. First the child listens to the sound, then brain analyzes the sound, then child copies the same sound by mouth. A defect in any of these mechanisms can result in speech delay. Coming to hearing part. Nowadays in all good hospitals, hearing of the child is assessed in the first month of the birth. Defect in hearing can develop after birth also due to some infection or any other reason which is beyond the scope of this video. So when the child is not hearing properly, how the child will speak properly? If there is defect in area, there will be problem in processing the information received to brain. Suppose child has attention deficit hyperactivity disorder where the concentration faculty is faulty. What will happen? Child will not hear attentively. Or autism where wiring of the brain is different, there will be problems in speech. There are two types of speech. One is receptive speech, means understanding language. Other is expressive speech, means using language. Suppose there is defect in oral cavity like tongue tie, where tongue is excessively attached to floor of mouth by a flap, or weakness of muscles of the mouth, there will be speech delay. If the child is online majority of the time, it results in only passive engagement of brain, no active engagement. Naturally, speech will be delayed. If both the parents are working, which is very common nowadays, and nobody is talking to the child majority of the day, there will be speech delay. So in nutshell, coming to the common causes of speech delay in a child: problems in hearing, high screen time, less active involvement of parents or caregiver to the child, autism, ADHD, retardation, weakness of muscles around oral cavity. Now, how to approach a child who is suffering from speech delay? If you suspect your child is suffering from speech delay, never hesitate to contact your pediatrician. He will guide you about the normal milestones, and if he feels it is necessary, he will refer you to pediatric neurologist. Follow the instructions, whatever is suggested to you. In fact, for best intervention, team is required which comprise of developmental pediatrician, speech language pathologist, hearing specialist, occupational therapist, child psychologist, educator, ENT specialist. If you live in remote area and don't have access to all these consultants, you can go for online consultation. Online consultation is also not available. You can do following measures at home. First of all, find out if the child has knowledge of spoken words or not. The approach is going to be different if there is understanding of spoken words or not. If the child is online all the time, stop it. There are guidelines how much child can be exposed online. I have given that in one of my videos. Kindly follow that. Use only one language at home, not multiple languages, so that child is not confused. Use picture books with stories and tell stories to the child showing the picture book as much as possible. Tell the child all the relevant words coming in the picture and keep the child actively involved by asking questions. Sing nursery rhymes every day during daily routine. Speak words of everyday use like dress, towel, spoon, plate. Encourage the child to speak that while also understanding the meaning. Stop understanding gestures of the child. That will force the child to speak if he badly desires something. Play simple games with the child like peek and boo and I spy. Suspect autism if the child is not doing eye contact. Doesn't like playing with peers, has stereotype behavior and is losing the milestones previously acquired. Positive parenting. Never compare the child with peers or siblings. Reward any positive effort. How to prevent speech delay? Parents will prevent speech delay if parents are conscious from very beginning. Start interacting with child from very early age, maybe as early as when child is in the womb, from around 24 weeks of age. Even when you have a newborn who doesn't seem to understand anything. Develop the habit of telling bedtime stories to the child, which has lot of advantages. Child should not be online all the time. Maintain online discipline according to the guidelines. So I have told you everything I thought I should be sharing about the speech delay. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe. And please, if your child is suffering from any problem, ask in comment section. I am very pleased to answer all the questions and interact with you people. Thank you.